Ka jingdon jing em jong iba arden mila basayo moin kat kum kalai trik benai ba ar jar ar pulai. Ka cashin hen jong iba arden mila basayo moin kalong ar lak tengka. Ka kong palma noa mani kabadairu ilok jong iba arden idon kumba shilak sanpo jar tengka. Ka details of deposit in bank account, term deposits and all other types of deposit including saving account jong iba arden mila basayo moin kalong drupu sanhajar sanspa artengka jong ikong palmano wa mani idon sahajar sanspa kandru tengka jong i Mr. Shongdor e basayo moin ibadai independent number 1 idon arpawai hajar shitengka independent number 2 jong i Miss Ida Cordor P basayo moin idon prapunyo hajar live santengka independent number 3 i Miss Bamedal Cordor P basayo moin idon prapunyo hajar live santengka. Motor vehicles, aircraft, yacht, ships, details of make registration number extra, year of purchase and amount, kalong driulak nyo po hajar tengka. Ka jewelry, bullion and valuable things, gift details of weight and value jong ikong palma noa mani kalong shilak lai po hajar tengka. Independent number 2 i Miss Ida Cordor P basayo moin kalong lai po hajar sanspa tengka. Independent number 3 i Miss Bamidal Cordor P basayo moin kalong lai po hajar tengka. Ka total value jong iba arden mila basayo moin kalong kendai lak lai po sanhajar sanspa ar tengka. Jong ikong palma noa mani kalong ar lak prapo sahajar sanspa kandri tengka. Jong i Mr. Shongdor e basayo moin kalong arpawai hajar shitengka. Jong ikong Miss Ida Cordor P basayo moin kalong prapunyo hajar lai po saneka. Jong ikong Bamidal Cordor P basayo moin kalong prapunyo hajar lai po santengka. Ka non agricultural land jong iba arden mila basayo moin kalong lai po sanlak tengka. Ka approximate current market value kalong kumjo lai po sanlak tengka. Ka residential buildings including apartments kalong 10 crore tengka. Ka approximate current market value kalong kumjo 10 crore tengka. Ka total of current market value kalong 10 crore lai po sanlak tengka. Ka immovable assets jong iba arden mila basayo moin purchase price of self acquired immovable property kalong nyolak kat prajar nyospa drupo tengka. Development construction cost of immovable property after purchase if applicable kalong sabun nyolak kat lai hajar kandai spa lai po tengka. Approximate current market price of self acquired assets kalong 10 crore lai po sanlak tengka. Ki kali jong iba arden mila basayo moin kalong LMV Jeep kabadonyo registration number ML05B 7626 Kabasyong Dor lai po hajar tengka. LMV Bolero Jeep kabadonyo registration number ML05U Prasaw Arnyo Kasyong Dor kumban driulak tengka. Ka motorcycle Bullet kabadonyo registration number ML05F RR Sandrew Kasyong Dor kumban sapo hajar tengka. Ka non-agricultural land jong iba arden mila basayo moin kadon halai kor kinton umon Shillongton kabadon katwe hajar lai spa saupo square feet kabasyong dor hakapor ba itiet kumba shilak sanpo prajar newspa dripo tengka bat kabasyong dor menta arpeulak tengka. Halai kor mauri lumhe Shillongton yaka square foot ngamla ban batai pi namarba ki klembu angne Henry yaka pisa hakapor ba itiet kasyong dor kumba sanlak drupo hajar bat kabasyong dor menta kumba kat sanlak tengka. Ka residential building jong iba arden mila basayo moin halai kor kenton uman Shillongton ka ground floor kalong chispa sanpo saw point drupo pra square meter ka first floor pat kalong chispa sanpo saw point drupo pra square meter ka second floor pat kalong kandai pun driu point khasan square meter bat ya ka construction lani ka development kalong sapung nyoblang kat lai hajar kandai spa lai po atengka bat kabasyong dor menta kumba 10 crore tengka. Ka movable assets jong iba Arden Mila Basayomoy kalong kendai lak lai pusan hajar sanspa Arden ka jong ilok iba Arden kalong arlak prabusaw hajar sanspa kandrudeng ka independent number 1 kalong arpawe hajar shiteng ka independent number 2 kalong prabunyo hajar lai pusan ka independent number 3 kalong prabunyo hajar lai pusan ka Kane kadai ka verification jong iba Arden Mila Basayomoy panpit kana yakitu kiba ngaladep yatu ipi kilong kiba shisha sula Kito kidai ki katto kanne ki jingdon jingem jong iba Arden Mila Basayomoy nginsai kendok pat haka next video ko bless you bon